Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid dishwasher door latch. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new door latch. The door latch is located on the dishwasher door. It latches the door closed when you close it, and it has a switch on it that tells the dishwasher if the door is open or closed. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's damaged and the door is not being latched, or the switch has gone bad and the dishwasher is not going through the cycles. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we can use the Torx 15 driver to take out all the door screws. When you're taking these out, there's the 4 across the top that are longer than the others, so just remember that and don't mix them up. Once you have all the screws out, you can carefully lift the door up. Then we're going to carefully let the outer door fall open a little bit. And we have to disconnect this wire from the main control board. So we're just going to reach in and disconnect it. There's a little locking tab on it that you have to press. Once you have it free, you can lift the outer door off and set it aside. Now that we have the outer door out of the way, we have access to the door latch. It's held on by a couple locking tabs here and here. We're just going to take a small flathead screwdriver, press down on them and pull the latch out. Once you have it free, we can spin it around, and we have to unplug the wiring harness. There's a little locking tab on it. You can push it in with the screwdriver and then pull the harness out. Once you have it free, you can pull the door latch off the dishwasher. Here's the old door latch next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new door latch in, we're going to hook up the wiring harness. All you have to do is plug it in, make sure it latches in. Then we can mount the door latch into the door. Just want to line it up and make sure that the little tabs lock into the mounting spots. You want to make sure it snaps in completely. Once you have it secure, we can put the outer door back on. To put the outer door back on, you want to make sure that the tab right here at the bottom of the door goes into this hinge opening right here on each side. Then you can rotate the door over. Just lift it up enough to slip each side in. Let it settle down. And we're going to reconnect the wiring harness to the control board. All you have to do is grab the wiring harness and plug it into the control board. There's a little locking tab on there. Just make sure it locks in. Now that you have it plugged in, we're going to open up the door a little bit and then lift the outer door panel up onto the inner door so it's in place. And then we're going to use the Torx 15 driver to put in one of the long screws to hold it together so we can open the door the rest of the way and put all the screws in. Now that we have the dishwasher put back together, you can close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.